Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a highly requested review of the SHAPERMINT high-waisted body shaper shorts. If you're looking for the best no-roll shapewear on the market, this might just be it. Let's find out why. These high-waisted body shaper shorts from SHAPERMINT are designed to provide ultimate comfort and control. Made from 90% nylon and 10% spandex, they offer a snug yet breathable fit. Perfect for everyday wear, these shorts promise to smooth out your tummy, slim your thighs, and provide back support. First off, what sets these shorts apart is their no-roll design. They stay securely in place all day long, thanks to their high waist and thigh coverage. Whether you're recovering postpartum, dressing up for an event, or just lounging at home, these shorts are designed to keep you comfortable and supported. Crafted from a blend of nylon and spandex, these shorts offer just the right amount of stretch without feeling restrictive. They're machine washable for easy care, which is always a plus. Many users rave about how comfortable these shorts are under various types of clothing. They don't bunch up or roll down, which is a common issue with lower quality shapewear. The lightweight material also ensures breathability, making them suitable for all-day wear. Before buying, make sure to check the size chart. It's recommended to choose a size based on your waist and hip measurements. If you're between sizes, opting for a snugger fit provides better shaping, while a larger size offers a more relaxed feel. To wrap it up, if you're in the market for high-quality shapewear that stays in place and provides excellent tummy control and thigh slimming, the SHAPERMINT high-waisted body shaper shorts are definitely worth considering. They combine comfort, support, and style, making them a standout choice in the world of shapewear. Thanks for tuning in to today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more product critiques. Let me know in the comments if you've tried these shorts or if there are other products you'd like me to review next. Until next time, stay tuned and stay stylish.